Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you know, that we were doing the chapter multiplication, okay, and we have done some of the word extra question answers for the practice of multiplication. Okay, so today here I am with you all to start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 6, division. Okay, so in today's session we will start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 6, division. So here I am just writing the topic. The chapter is chapter number 6. This is the chapter number. The topic is division. This is the topic, that is division. Now first of all, what is the meaning of division? Division means to divide. Division means to divide. कोई भी चीज़ को divide करना, बांटना. Okay. Suppose you are having 10 pencils and you want to divide it equally among you and your brother. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स आप उसको और अपने लिए और अपने भाई के लिए इक्वल नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल, आपके पास 10 पेंसिल्स आपके पापा ने लगे दी एंड आपको था कि 10 पेंसिल को हम इक्वली आपस में ले लें, कि कुछ आप ले लें कुछ आप ले लें. सो आप अगर आपको इक्वल नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल्स चाहिए होगी, 10 थी टोटल, आधी आपकी आधी ब्रदर को देनी है. सो व्हाट विल बी द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेंसिल? ओके, सो 5 विल बी विद यू एंड 5 यू विल गिव टू योर ब्रदर. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डिविजन. ओके, सो व्हेन यू मतलब व्हेन यू ओके, डिविजन इज नॉट ओनली इन द हाफ, इट कैन बी इन द वेनी, मतलब कितने भी नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स में, ठीक है, 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स, 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स, 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. सो न्यूमरस नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स यू कैन डिवाइड द गिवन नंबर. तो वैसे ही किसी चीज़ को बहुत सारी चीज़ों में डिवाइड करना, ओके, यू हैव टू व्हेन यू डिवाइड इट इन अ नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, दैट इज नोन एज डिवीजन. So just in this chapter as well we are going to do the division, but in this chapter we will divide the numbers. Okay, so we are going to divide the various numbers, okay, in the various different formats, like हम अलग अलग नंबर्स को अलग अलग नंबर्स में डिवाइड करेंगे, लाइक हाफ, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/8 and so on. So this is how we are going to divide the numbers. So first of all, here in the book it is given the heading. We have already learned in the previous class the division of 3 and the 4 digit numbers by 1 digit number. In this class we shall learn the division of a 5 digit number by a 1 digit number and the division of 3, 4 and 5 digit numbers by 2 digit number. Let's recall the relation between the multiplication and division. देखिए, already you have done the division in your class 3. But in class 4 again we are going to do the division. But first of all let's recall that what is division. Okay, what is the relation between division and multiplication? Multiplication और division के बीच में relation क्या है? What is the similarity between the division and multiplication? Okay, so let's do that. So first of all the first is so first of all we will discuss about the relation between multiplication and division. So here it is, relation between multiplication, relation between multiplication and division. What is the relation between multiplication and division? So first of all we will discuss about it. In multiplication और division के बीच में relation क्या है? So here it is given the first fact is, every multiplication fact with 2 distinct numbers give us 2 distinct division facts. तो देखिए, this is the first relationship between the multiplication. Okay, so you have to write it in your notebook. तो लिखिए सबसे पहले, every multiplication fact every multiplication fact with two distinct numbers, with every multiplication fact with two distinct every multiplication fact with two distinct numbers, every multiplication fact with two distinct numbers gives us two distinct division facts, gives us two distinct division facts, gives us two distinct division facts. Full stop. Okay, so question हमारा देखिए, this is the first relation between the multiplication and the division. Okay, so every multiplication fact with two distinct numbers gives us two distinct division facts. तो देखिए, what is the meaning of this line? कि जब हम दो numbers को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एंड जब ओके एंड व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट वी गॉट, जब हम उसी ओके सपोज आपने टू नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया एंड देन यू गॉट द प्रोडक्ट, एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड दोज मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो नंबर्स हैं या जो प्रोडक्ट आपके पास आए हैं उन्हीं को जब आप डिवाइड करोगे तो जो आपका आंसर है बेटा दैट विल बी इन दैट मल्टीप्लिकेशन नंबर्स ओनली. Okay, so I'll just explain you with the help of an example. Suppose the question is 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 2, that will be 12. 6 multiplied by 2, that is 12. Okay, तो 6 को जब आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे you will get 12. But same अगर आप when you divide this product, okay, that 12 जो आपका प्रोडक्ट आया, when you have divided this 12 with 6, पहले आपने इसको 6 से डिवाइड किया. First of all you have divided that 12 with 6. सबसे पहले आपने 12 को 6 से डिवाइड किया. Just a second, I will try to make it clear. Okay, now first of all you have divided 12 with 6. So what will be the answer? Okay, suppose okay this is 6 multiplied by 12 is 6 multiplied by 2 is 12, and when you have divided this product with 6, आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? That is 2. Okay, just I will show you it here. I'll show it to you. Okay, देखिए, suppose you have divided 12 with 6. 6 2s are 12. Okay, so what is the answer? 2. So वैसे ही 12 divided by 6, that is 2. Okay, this is the first distinct. Second देखिए, again the product will be divided. अब हम इसके product को now we will divide the product 12 with 2. So let's divide 12 with 2. So let's divide 12 with 2. Okay, तो अब देखिए 12 को 2 से divide करिए. Let's divide 12 with 2. 12 divided by 2. Okay, so when we divided 12 with 2, we got 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 6. So what is we will that's what we will write here. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So this is the first relation between the multiplication and division. Okay, this is the first relation. अब देखो इसको, now listen it very carefully class. So as you can see, हमने पहले 6 और 2 को मल्टीप्लाई किया, we got 12. Okay, we got 12. Okay, लाइन लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. We got 12. अब जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट था 12, सो व्हेन वी डिवाइडेड दिस प्रोडक्ट 12 विद 6 वी गॉट 2, एंड व्हेन वी डिवाइडेड दिस 12 विद 2 वी गॉट 6. सो दैट मीन्स जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट आया, तो दैट मीन्स इन दोनों का जो आंसर है, ओके, सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन द प्रोडक्ट, व्हेन वी डिवाइडेड द प्रोडक्ट विद एनी ऑफ द नंबर वी गेट द अदर नंबर एज आर आंसर. तो हमने जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है उन दोनों में से किसी भी एक नंबर से डिवाइड किया, जो उसका सेकेंड नंबर है, चाहे वो 6 हो चाहे 2 हो, दैट इज आर आंसर. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रिलेशन बिटवीन, देखिए, एवरी मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट विद टू डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर, मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट दैट इज 6 into 2, हमने 6 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, दिस इज आवर मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट. 6 into 2, दिस इज आवर मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट, ओके, gives 6 into 2 is equal to 12, gives us two distinct division facts. अब इन दोनों नंबर के जो डिवीजन फैक्ट्स है वो क्या होंगे, दैट इज दिस वन. सो दैट मीन्स वी विल डिवाइड द प्रोडक्ट विद 2, यू विल गेट 6, व्हेन यू डिवाइड 12 विद 6 यू विल गेट 2. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज द रिलेशन. तो जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट आया, जब हमने उन दोनों में से किसी एक नंबर से उसको डिवाइड किया, वी गॉट द अदर नंबर एज आर सॉल्यूशन. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट रिलेशन. Every multiplication fact with two distinct numbers, that is 6 and 12 in this case, numbers gives two distinct division facts. So these are our two division facts. Okay, ये हमारे दो division facts हैं जो कि हमें that we have got from this multiplication fact. Clear? चलिए, moving next to the question number, sorry, not question number. So now we will move to the second relation between the multiplication and the division. चलिए, so the second relationship is between the multiplication and division is, the second is okay, if the multiplication fact has both similar numbers then get one division fact. ओके, जब हमारे पास मल्टीप्लाई, जब हमने टू सिमिलर नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वी विल गेट ओनली वन डिवीजन फैक्ट. हाउ? ओके, सो दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स राइट डाउन द रिलेशन. इफ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट, इफ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, if the multiplication fact, if the multiplication fact has both similar numbers, has both similar, has both similar numbers, if the multiplication fact has both similar numbers, then we get, comma, then we get only one division fact, then we get only one division, then we get only one division fact. Full stop. So कहते हैं if the multiplication fact has both similar numbers, so that means if we multiply both similar number, अगर हम दो सिमिलर नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो द प्रोडक्ट वी गेट, ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी हैविंग ओनली वन डिवीजन फैक्ट. ओके, सो व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई टू सिमिलर नंबर्स वी विल बी हैविंग ओनली वन डिवीजन फैक्ट. सो हाउ? लेट्स सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ द एग्जांपल. ओके, सपोज, sorry, this is easy. Example is this. Suppose you have multiplied, let's multiply 5 with 5. So 5 multiply 5, that is 25. So when we multiply 5 with 5, you will get 25. Okay, so that you all know. So this is, okay, here we are multiplying the two similar numbers. That means we are multiplying 5 with 5 and the product we got, that is 25. हमारे पास क्या प्रोडक्ट आया, that is 25. Now here, so when we multiply two similar numbers, we got 25 as the product. Okay, now इसके अब division facts, how many division facts it will be having? So it will be having only one division facts. How? Let's see. So it gives only one division facts. तो देखिए हमारे पास यहाँ पे क्या है, product is 25. So first of all we will divide this 25 with 5. एक 5 से divide किया. So 25 divided by 5. देखिए 25 divided by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Okay, so the answer we got, that is 5. So that means 25 divided by 5 is 5. Again अगर देखिए हमने पहले ये 5 लिया, अगर हम ये वाला 5 भी लेते हैं, suppose again we take the same another 5, that will be 5 again. देखिए दोनों के दोनों सेम हो गए. So that means they both are same, they both are 1. Okay, so this is the second relationship between the multiplication and the division. So if we multiply, this is the second relation between the multiplication and the division. That is, if the multiplication fact has both similar numbers, अगर हमारे multiplication facts हैं, okay, so the multiplication that we are doing, they are both same numbers. So that is 5 and 5. They both are 5 and 5. If the multiplication fact has both similar numbers, okay, the product we got 25. Okay, then we get only one division fact. हमारे पास सिर्फ एक division fact आया. पिछले वाले में हमारे पास 2 division facts आए थे, but here we have got only this one division fact. Okay, so this is the relation between the multiplication and the division. This is the second relation between the multiplication and division. If the multiplication fact has both similar numbers, then we get only one division fact. Okay, हमें सिर्फ एक division fact मिलेगा. Okay, so this is the second one. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay class, you have to write this in your notebook. Don't forget to write it in the notebook. So you have to write it. Moving next to the because these were the two relationship between the division and the multiplication. Next is a very important point is here. Okay, so that we will write after this. Okay. This is also very important. जो आपको बताने जा रही हूँ, this is also very important. 0 multiplied by 0 multiplied by any number gives us 0. Okay. अब देखिए, अभी तक हमने कहा कि टू डिफरेंट नंबर्स के डिवीजन फैक्ट्स, इफ़ वी हैव मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट ऑफ टू डिफरेंट नंबर्स, अगर हमारे पास मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट है, दो अलग अलग नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारे पास हमने नंबर जो प्रोडक्ट निकाला है, सो प्रोडक्ट वी गॉट, इट विल बी हैविंग टू डिफरेंट डिवीजन फैक्ट्स, एंड व्हेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई टू सिमिलर नंबर्स वी विल बी हैविंग ओनली वन डिवीजन फैक्ट. बट इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई 0, अगर हम इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई any number with 0, or if we will be having, okay, so any number with 0, so the product will be 0, क्योंकि अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so what will be the product? The product will be 0. तो अगर वैसे ही, तो अगर suppose just see the example, suppose the number is 0 multiplied by 4. 0 multiplied by 4. This is the multiplication fact. So 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. नाउ अगर हमसे पूछा जाए कि ये हाउ मैनी मल्टीडिविजन फैक्ट्स इट विल गिव, अब इसके कितने डिवीजन फैक्ट्स आएंगे? ओके, सो 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, इसको अगर इट विल गिव अस डिवीजन फैक्ट्स कौन से होंगे? गिव्स अस डिवीजन फैक्ट्स लाइक 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. 0 को 4 से डिवाइड करो, यू विल गेट 0, और 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 0, सॉरी 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 0, दैट विल ऑल्सो 0. देखिए दिस इज 0, दिस इज 0, दिस इज 0, एवरीथिंग इज 0 here. So that means अगर if we have multiplication fact by 0, the division fact will be not possible, क्योंकि सब 0 ही आ रहा है, so that it is completely not possible. Okay, so we can't have division facts of any multiplication fact in which the numbers the one number is 0. Okay, अगर हम दो numbers हैं and one is 0 out of दो numbers हैं उनको multiply कर रहे हैं and उनमें से दो numbers से एक number 0 है, so it will be having no division facts because division with 0 is not possible. तो लिखिए, this is also very important. इसी एग्जाम्पल के साथ लिखिए. Okay, this is a very important note. 0 multiplied by 4 is equal to 0. Okay, gives us how many multiplication facts? अब इसके multiplication fact के how many division fact आएंगे? That is 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. Since division by 0 is not possible. Okay? Since division by 0 is not possible. This is division by 0 is not possible. Full stop. Okay, so note 0 multiplied by 4 is 0, gives us 0 divided by 4, that is 0. Since the division by 0 is not possible. Okay, so this is a very important note कि you can't divide or you can't multiply. Okay, so when we multiply any number with 0, the product will be 0, and we can't do the division with 0. We can't divide any number with 0 because you will always get 0. 0 से किसी भी number को आप divide या multiply करोगे तो product, the answer, the division that you will get, that is always be 0. Okay, so these are the some multiplication facts and the division facts. So देखिए, okay, so इसी topic से related relation between division fact and multiplication facts. So we are having an exercise, that is exercise 6.1. So here we are having some sums. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we will start with exercise 6.1. Okay, I hope that you understood the introduction about the multiplication facts and the division facts. Exercise that we will start as 6.1. Okay, so the first is, for each of the following write all possible division facts. तो हमारे पास जितने भी नीचे 6 sums दिए हैं, we have to write all the possible division facts for the given numbers. तो देखिए, so we have to write the division facts. क्या लिखना है हमें? Division facts for the given numbers. So we have to write all the possible division facts for the given numbers. So the first is 8 multiply 6. 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48. Okay. अब देखिए, this is the multiplication fact. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. So what will be the division fact for this? Division facts. देखिए, division facts for 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48 is, अब इसलिए हमारे पास division facts कौन कौन से होंगे? So the division facts will be, देखिए 48, so first of all we will divide 48 with 8. पहले नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई 48 का प्रोडक्ट 48 divided by 8. So 48 divided by 8, that will be 6. Okay, अगर फिर भी आपको कंफर्म करना है, you can do the division. Okay, so 48 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. So the answer is 6. So वैसे ही 48 divided by 8, that will be 6. Similarly, when we divide 48 with 6, similarly when we will divide 48 with 6, this is the second division fact. Okay, so when we divide 48 with 6, you will get 8. So let's check it as well. 48 divided by 6. 6 8s are 48. Answer is 8. So this is the division fact for the first sum. Okay. देखिए मल्टीप्लाई फैक्ट, हमारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट था क्या था? व्हाट वाज द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट? दैट वाज 8 into 6 is equal to 48, and we have to find all the possible, कितने डिवीजन फैक्ट्स पॉसिबल हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड ऑल द पॉसिबल डिवीजन फैक्ट्स फॉर दिस. सो डिवीजन फैक्ट्स फॉर 8 into 6 is 48 divided by 6, sorry 48 divided by 8, we got 6. Similarly, that is what is written here. Next is 48 divided by 8, sorry 6, we got 8. So this is the second division fact. So we got two division facts. So there are two division facts are possible for the first one. Okay. So this is the solution for the first one. You can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo, moving next to the second one. The second one is the second is 62 into 2 is equal to 124. 62 into 2 is equal to 124. So now we have to find the division fact for this. Division facts for 62 into 2 is equal to 24 is division fact for 62 into 2 is equal to 124 is, so first of all the product is 124. So first of all we will divide the product with the first number. So when we will divide 124 with 2, sorry, when we will divide 124 with 62, the division, the answer will be 2. जब हम 124 को 62 से डिवाइड करेंगे you will get 2. Similarly, when we divide 124 with 2, अब हम 124 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे you will get 62. Okay, so this is the division fact. देखिए हमने फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 62 मल्टीप्लाई इंटू 2 इज इक्वल टू 124. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड ऑल द पॉसिबल. सो नो मोर डिवीजन फैक्ट्स आर पॉसिबल. सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट वी हैव रिटन हियर. सो डिवीजन फैक्ट फॉर 62 इंटू 2 इज 124. सो 62 को जब हमने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया वी गॉट 124. एंड नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिवीजन फैक्ट फॉर दिस. एंड आफ्टर डिवीजन फैक्ट वी गॉट 124 divided by 62, we got 2. 124 divided by 2, we got 62. देखिए दोनों में से कोई भी नंबर से हम अगर डिवाइड करेंगे you will get the other number as your answer, as your solution. Okay, so this is question number 2. Rest of the questions that we will do in the next session. Okay, so you have to do all up to question number 2 in your notebooks, and please write in a proper handwriting. Some of the notebooks I have checked, they are very the work is so hazy and so bad that I have to put the cross on it. So kindly write it carefully, kindly write it neatly. And जब आप notebooks वीडियो से क्वेश्चन उतार रहे हो बेटा तो बिल्कुल सही उतारिए, गलत मत उतारना. Okay, so please write it very carefully. Okay, so with this I'm just ending the today's session as well, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody have a great day and stay safe.